Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Kantoma. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these numbers, okay? We've covered this list of softwares on our YouTube channel. Amazing, right? You can go down below the description of this video. You'll find a link to that channel. And make sure you visit the channel. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to actually come up with your roof design in your Sketchup environment, okay? But quickly, let me just try to do something here. If I double click on this, if I tap twice, I can just offset this. Let me use 20. 20 is small. Let me see 50. So I can take this in by 50. Okay, but I think that is also small. 100. 100. 100 is great. 100. Okay, I'm actually using the offset tool. This is it. Offset 100. Offset 100. 100. 100. 100. So I'm also going to show you how to achieve this roof on this software called Sketchup. Okay, so I'll take this down by 50. 50. If you already love what you're seeing, why not just like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon in order for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design, okay? Alright, 50. Like you know, we have covered structural designs, mechanical and electrical service drawings, architectural working drawings, 2D, 3D. They are very much available on our YouTube channel, okay? Alright, let me show you something how to achieve this roof quickly. I already have this plan here for this. Okay, let me just do something quickly here. Alright, good. Let me erase all of this that is inside. SketchUp is actually very easy. It's just like you can see, SketchUp does not really have so many tools, but it's actually a very great software that you can actually use to achieve your design. If you ask for my opinion, I think I find it very easy to actually make use of. Okay, let me reverse this face. Okay, it's already okay. I'll move this. Just want to quickly get this roof. Alright, good. This man that is here, I take you down. I don't know what he is doing on top of that roof. Alright, so let me get my fisher. I'm just going to do something very simple. 450 here, let's say 230. I'm just doing something. Okay. No. 450, 300. What is... Okay, I think this is way bigger than... Let me measure this and confirm what I have here. Okay, this is not... I want this 450. Let me take this 300. Okay, I'm not getting it. Okay, software can be a bit tricky if you're not careful. Good. Let's see, I have this way. Okay. Let's say I have this to be 50. Yeah, 50 here. 20 here. So I'm going to repeat this here. 50. 50. 20. Something is wrong. It's not shaded. I think there is a boundary that is still open. This is perfect. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to use the follow me tool. I'm going to use follow me. I'll click here. I have this tool, follow me. I'll click on it. Good, you can see what I have. Oh, you like it, right? Alright, let me take something here. Let me locate the center of this. Yeah, I think this is the midpoint. Take it to the height of 3,000. Here. Here. And then I'll take off this line here. Alright, so now I'm going to use the follow me tool here. I'll click here. I want it to follow this part, so I'll click on follow me and I'll click here. Great, you can see what I have here. Okay, so it has given me my roof. So what I need to do now is to trim off all of this. Okay, so now I have my hip roof, so I'll just click on this twice. I'll right click and I'll click on intersect face with model. Okay, so I'm going to trim off all of these places that are so you can see this is actually a very easy way to achieve your roof design using the Sketchup software. Okay, but we have other roof plugins where you can actually install in your Sketchup software. You can see this is automatic hip roof, we have gable, we have pyramid roof, you know, all this roof from your plugin. There are so many other plugins you can get on Sketchup. Okay, so just like what I did the other time is just to double click on this and then I'll look for my offset tool. This is it, and I will type 100, but something is wrong somewhere. Exactly. Double click here, double click here, $100, 100, 100, 100. Alright, the next thing I do is just to use my push or pull here, and I'll push it down a bit, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Whoa, we are done. Okay, so this is actually how to achieve your roof. So make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed. Okay, I think I have actually made a mistake here. Let me align this here first and I take it down 50. Okay, it's now okay. Alright, so make sure you subscribe. Click on the red button written subscribe, and you have subscribed already. It's actually 100% free. Okay, click on the bell icon in order for you to get a notification whenever I post videos, because I post videos like this on a weekly basis, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, so make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed.